Now see, sodium atomic number is 11. Magnesium's atomic number is 12. These two examples we'll see. Okay. These two are metals. Metals will always have a tendency to lose electrons. They will give electrons. Okay. First we will see. Sodium atom. I'll write it down like this. This is sodium atom. In the nucleus what will be there? Sodium atom nucleus. Protons, neutrons and electrons. 3 subatomic particles are there. Okay. Protons and neutrons will be in the center. In the nucleus, protons and neutrons will be there. See, for example, sodium atom is having 11 protons. So 11 protons will be there and 11 neutrons also will be there. 11? No. Depends upon the mass number. Okay, now 11 protons are there. We have studied about the shells. Do you remember? What are the shells? K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell, O shell, P shell. It goes on like that. This year you will be studying only the first 4. K, L, M and 4 shells you will be studying. One formula is there to find out the number of electrons in each shell. 2n square. Correct? See, for example, this is K shell 1, L shell 2, M shell 3, N shell 4. Like that it goes. First I will draw K shell. Okay, K. Then next the L. And next the M. 3 shells I have. Okay, now 2n square is the formula. In the place of Kn, first we should put 1. 2. Right? So, first shell, in the first shell, we can have only how many electrons? 2 electrons. It is restricted. Then the next shell is L shell. Second shell. So, 4 2s are 8. In the second shell, we can have 8 electrons. In the third shell, 9 2s are 18. In the fourth shell, we will be having 4 4 16, 16 2s are 32. This is how electrons will be arranged. Okay. Now, in the K shell, we will be having 2 electrons I said. So, first I will write this is K shell, this is L shell, this is M shell, this is N shell. Okay. Now, in the first one, how many electrons are there? 2 electrons are there in the first shell. Okay. In the first shell, 2 electrons are there. In the second shell, how many? 8 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 electrons are there. Now, atomic number of sodium is how many? 11. So, 8 plus 2, 10. Only 1 is remaining. So, in the next shell, I will be showing only 1. So, what should I do for this? This n is not there. So, I will erase it. So, based on the atomic number, I will show the number of electrons. Okay, here 3 shells will show K shell, L shell and M shell. This is sodium atom. Sodium atom will be like this. Now, I will see how sodium ion will be. Okay. Inside this nucleus, what will be there? Same. Protons and neutrons will be there. Now, the first one is K shell. The next one is L shell. The next one is M shell. Like that it goes on, I said. This one is K, this one is L, this one is M. Now, the first shell, like atom, this will also have how many electrons? 2 electrons. And the second shell, this will also have 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I told you that it may give electrons or it may get